Good morning, students. Today we are going to read a poem. The Roadside Locksmith by Chitra Padmanabhan. You will find this poem in your new Gulmohar reader book at page number 66. Let us know few things about the poet. Chitra Padmanabhan is a journalist who has been working with the leading newspapers of India like Times of India, Dainik Bhaskar, Hindustan Times, etc. Now the question is, who is a journalist? A journalist is someone who collects information and presents them as a news story through newspaper, magazine, radio, television, and internet. Besides being a journalist, Chitra Padmanabhan writes poems and stories for children. She is now associated with Pitara Kids Network, and her contribution to the children's literature can be read at www.pitara.com, link of which is given here. The poem that we are going to read is about how a locksmith is important in our daily lives. We will see how he is helpful to human beings. We cannot open a lock without its key. If ever we lose the key of a lock, it is a locksmith who can help us in this situation. With this brief introduction, let us now read the poem. The Roadside Locksmith by Chitra Padmanabhan. The locksmith sits on the roadside with his wares. A tilted black umbrella blocks the sun's glare. A mountain of master keys heaped on the ground, some dull, some old, some rusty, some gold. The locksmith has the answer to every locked door that can't be opened because the key is not there. And if you have a key that is lonely and lost, don't worry, don't fret, don't be sad, don't despair. He'll find a friendly lock to complete the pair. Let us have a closer look of the poem. The locksmith sits on the roadside with his wares. A tilted black umbrella blocks the sun's glare. The poem starts with the mention of a locksmith who has no shop of his own, rather sits on the roadside. Now, who is a locksmith? Locksmith is someone who earns his livelihood by making or repairing locks. If required, he can supply keys for the lonely locks too. The fact that he is sitting on the roadside shows us that he is poor, but he has the determination to work hard, and thus he sits on the roadside with his wares. Now, what are his wares? Of course, locks and keys that he is selling are his wares. He has something else with him too. What is that? He has a black umbrella with him, which he has kept in a tilted position, just like you see in the picture. What is the use of it? He uses this black umbrella to keep away from the glaring sun rays, that is, to protect himself from the heat of sun. Now, if I ask you, at what time of the day the locksmith is at work? what would be your answer? I'm sure you are saying from morning till afternoon, as during this time of the day we can find the sun in the sky. Let us now move to the next section. A mountain of master keys heaped on the ground, some dull, some old, some rusty, some gold. Here we see that the locksmith has a mountain of master keys. Now what is a master key? Master key is a key that can be used to open a number of different locks. The locksmith has piled his collection of master keys in a haphazard way somewhere beside him, which takes the shape of a hill. Perhaps the poet used the word mountain to indicate that the locksmith had a good collection of master keys, using which he can open any locks, keys of which are lost. The keys that the locksmith has are dull, maybe because he has been using them for a very long time. Some of them are rusty. That is, they developed a reddish or yellowish brown coating on the surface, as you can see in the picture at the right side. Generally, the things made of iron or steel rust in presence of moisture in the air. He has gold keys too. Gold here indicates the golden color of the keys and not the metal gold. Now let us move to the next section. How does a locksmith help us, human beings? The locksmith has the answer to every locked door that can't be opened because the key is not there. In our daily lives, we encounter such situations when we lose keys of the locked doors or accidentally lock the door, leaving the keys inside the house. It is in such situations locksmiths prove themselves helpful for us, as they can open any locked door with the master keys that they have. And if you have a key that is lonely and lost, don't worry, don't fret, don't be sad, don't despair. He'll find a friendly lock to complete the pair. Locks and keys always come in pairs. A lock without a key and a key without a lock are useless. You can say that they are like best friends who cannot stay without each other. Thus, when the one is lost, the other becomes lonely. It is a locksmith who can recover such situation by making a suitable lock or key as per the requirement. The poet finally asks us not to be sad if we ever face such situation, like locked doors, lost keys or defective locks, as there is always a locksmith who can help us solve these problems. I hope you have understood this poem. Now it's time for some tasks. Here you will find few exercises that you have to do and send the completed work at the email ID given at the end. It's time to take your exercise book and pen out and start doing this work. Also, do not forget to learn the spellings of the poem and the poet too. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. In the next session, we shall do the exercises of this text and other interesting activities. Thank you.